Hi guys, hope you're hungry, you're spending the day with me. We are going to be starting off with breakfast, my favorite meal of the day. I honestly never miss it. It kickstarts your metabolism, it also stops you getting hunger pains before lunch and your sugar levels dropping. So we're going to be making a yummy berry chia seed bowl. So we're going to add some oats, some chia seeds. I feel like I'm on a cooking show. What's his name? Jamie Oliver. I'm Jamie Oliver. Pop them in. Pop in some almond milk. A little bit of honey. Give it a stir. It's that easy. Super healthy too. We're going to be popping this in the fridge overnight and enjoy it for breakfast in the morning. One I prepared earlier. You can add, like I said, any fresh fruit you like. I love my berries. They're full of antioxidants. Keeps your skin young and glowing. Also keeps giving you energy throughout the day. Yum! Your turn. Do you feel hungry easily throughout your day? Let me show you a simple snack that I love to make. We're going to be making some awesome almond bliss balls today. I'm going to be using it with almond butter instead of peanut butter. It's such a great snack. So you can use it with apples or dip your banana in. Healthy snack. So first up we are going to add oats, some flax seeds. These are great for lowering your cholesterol. Also great for your healthy heart, which we definitely want. Some honey, almond butter, yum, beautiful. Now we're just going to mix this up. Just give me 10 minutes and then I'm going to pop them in the fridge. I'm going to be having them after my workout. See you then. Today I'm going to be making a avo and salmon wrap. Avocados and salmon, they're both full of omega fatty acids, which are essential for weight loss. So just spread on the mashed avo as much as you like. You can use whatever vegetables you like. These are just my favorite, but you can have broccoli, cucumber, anything. Cheers! In the afternoon, I always like to grab a light snack. Don't ever be afraid of snacking. It's actually really good for you. It keeps your metabolism going. It also stops you from craving all those naughty treats. So make sure you're snacking healthy, not naughty. My trick, I always cut up some fresh vegetables and have it with hummus. Bon appetit! Hi guys, I hope you're ready for something hot. Today we're cooking up some spicy shrimp and slaw. So I've got my prawns here marinating in turmeric, cumin and a little bit of red pepper flakes. Turmeric is actually amazing at muscle repair, which you will need after your BodyBoss workouts, right? So while they're sizzling away here, so I've already pre-cut my cabbage here. I like using red cabbage mainly because it's low in calories and high in vitamin C and vitamin A. So simply pop that on the plate. Mango, one of my favorites. I was always a little bit worried about putting mango in my salads, but it's actually delicious. Makes it more summery. A little bit of red onion. By then your prawns will be done, so we pop them on the plate. Yummy! And finish with some squeezed fresh lime. Beautiful. Bon appetit. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you love my recipes. Now you better get going because I've got a hot date.